Am I a TikToker yet? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, we're going to be talking about how TikTokers make money. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms of all time, with over 500 million active users. Its emphasis on short, flashy videos pertain to this younger generation who have attention spans of a goldfish. People on TikTok do dance moves, sing, perform magic, do comedy skits, and much more. Heck, I even have a TikTok. And like any other social media platform, TikTok has its users that I would call ultra popular, who have amassed millions of followers. Some of their most popular creators include Addison Rae, Charli D'Amelio, and Zach King. When you build up a large following on social media, there is always room to make money, and these TikTokers have figured out to squeeze a lot of money out of their social media. So in this video, I'm just going to be going through the ways that TikTokers make money, how they get their revenue through TikTok, and some of the largest TikTokers, how much are they bringing in? But before we get into the video, please go down and like, and let's get right into it. Number one, brand partnerships. Just like YouTube and Instagram and plenty of other social media platforms, TikTokers have taken advantage of influencer marketing to make money. Brands will reach out to some of the most popular TikTokers and see if they can advertise their brand, product, or service on the TikTok page, whether it be an outright advertisement or just be featured in one of their videos. But remember, these brands are only going to be targeting creators that target the demographic that the brands are trying to reach to. As an example, let's say a TikToker attracts a largely male audience in their 40s. Advertising a makeup kit on that account probably won't go over so well, but if you advertise a beard trimmer, that might be perfect. Which brings me to my sponsor, Dollar Shave Club. I really wish. However, I am going to leave some links for some beard trimmers in the description. Considering that some of the most popular TikTokers are getting tens of millions of views per video, it shouldn't surprise you that brands are willing to pay over $100,000 per video. Similar to a brand partnership, TikTokers can also advertise products and get money through affiliate marketing using affiliate links. It's also important to keep in mind that many TikTokers bring their followers from TikTok to other social media platforms like Instagram and YouTube. So while they're not making money directly on TikTok from those other platforms, that's where they got their followers from. Number two, selling merchandise. Selling t-shirts, stickers, book bags, and other products with your brand on it is another great way to make money. Making good money from merch is usually just reserved for the elites on TikTok, the ones with millions of followers, but the ones who are successful with it can bring in millions. Some of these TikTokers don't even go out of their way to advertise their brand and their merchandise. They simply wear some of their shirts in a few of their videos, leave a link in their bio, and make great passive income. But keep in mind though that merchandise is a pretty low margin business for the most part. So even though a TikToker might be raking in millions of dollars in revenue, their profits are generally a small percentage of that after taking into account costs, fees, shipping, and all that. Number three, Livestream Gifts. Once you gain 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can live stream. The simps on the app can then purchase virtual currency coins on the app and then gift them to their favorite creators that they will never have a chance of meeting or getting with. In other words, your followers can donate money to you, not directly, but through a virtual currency, which you can then withdraw into real hard cash. You can withdraw a maximum of $1,000 from your TikTok every day, and some of the top TikTokers are doing this every day, maxing out that $1,000. That alone is nearly $400,000 a year just in live stream donations. There are way more ways to make money on TikTok. In fact, there are countless ways as long as you are creative. But those three ways are the most popular and generally generate the most revenue for the popular TikTokers. So let's look at an example of how much money a very large popular TikToker could be bringing in. Let's look at Charli D'Amelio, the world's largest TikToker with over 62 million followers. The 16-year-old started on TikTok just last year and posts multiple videos every day that consistently get tens of millions of views, some of the videos getting hundreds of millions of views. Most of the videos are just simple dancing for about 15 seconds with them smiling very awkwardly. I don't get it, but people love it. I'm going to be honest, it's really tough to calculate a popular TikToker's net worth and see how much money they're making. It all depends on how much their promoters are paying them, and honestly, Charli D'Amelio doesn't really do that much promotions. However, a lot of websites estimate that she's making around $10,000 to $50,000 per post. And if you think about it, she's making like 3 posts a day. That's a lot of money. It adds up. Realistically, I would say that Charli D'Amelio is at least at the bare minimum pulling in a few $1,000,000 this year. And that is absolute bare minimum. She could be pulling in tens of millions, to be quite honest, and that's pretty good for her line of work. So before you go out and quit your job to become a TikToker, keep in mind that it's really tough to make money on TikTok unless you are an elite. So, be smart, be responsible. But I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure you guys go down and subscribe to our channel for more business, entrepreneurship, and investing content, and I'll see you guys next time.